Okay, so let me get this back up for Mihal to be able to see it okay. There we go. Sorry about that, Mihal. There we go. Okay, so we've got our less than, greater than, equal to, less than symbols here. And so we're talking about them. Now, I think you all feel pretty good about those. But just as a recap, what does it mean if I have the line underneath it then? Mr. Anderson. More than or equal to. So that means that when we're looking at our answers, we can include that specific number as our answer. Does that make sense? We can include that specific number as our answer. So for number one, Sarah can rent a bike and helmet for $25 per hour, or she can buy a helmet for $80 and rent the bike for $6.95 per hour. For what length of time is the first option more expensive? Model this inequality. Okay, so I've got two equations here. So I'll agree with that. Can somebody tell me what one of those equations is? I just want to know what one of them is. Reed, give me one. 25x. Can somebody else tell me why are we putting an x attached to that 25? Why, Isaac?
Because it says per hour.
Per hour. Do we know how many hours that is?
Yeah.
Can it be 1?
Yes.
Can it be 5?
Yes.
Can it be a billion?
Yes.
Okay, I got a second equation. Josh, can you tell me the second equation?
6.95x.
6.95x is a good start. Can you finish it out though?
Minus 80 or add 80?
Well, what do you think?
Add 80?
It's gonna add 80, good. Because it's $80 to rent it plus $6.95 per hour. But then it says, for what length of time is the first option more expensive? So which way do I want my inequality to go? Do I want it to go this way? Do I want it to go this way? How do I know that this means that the first side is more expensive? How do I know based off my inequality?
Go in that direction.
Give me a little more than that. That's kind of a weak answer. How do I know? How do I know that this side is more expensive based off of my inequality?
Your x.
What do you think, Jackson?
I think 25 is bigger than 6.95.
Well, I agree 25 is bigger. But why did I write the inequality this way? Why did I not write it the opposite way?
Because we wanted the 25x to be bigger than the
But how do I know? Why does this tell me that this is bigger? Because what? Yeah. The open side always eats the larger side. Kendall, please stop playing whatever game you're playing at the moment. So this is the bigger side where that's the smaller side. Understood? All right, let's go to the second one. I'm not even going to make you solve this one. All right, number two. Alicia can join Fitness X for $45 and $9.95 per month. Or she can join the Recreational Center for $25 per month. For what length of time is the first option less expensive? Model this inequality. Mariah, can you give me one of my two equations?
9.95x.
9. That's the start of it.
Plus 45.
Yeah, beautiful. Well done. All right, Emily, can you give me my second equation?
25x.
25x. All right, Caden, I'm coming to you. Says, for what length of time is the first option less expensive? So how should my inequality look? Less than symbol, right? We want to know when is the first option less than. Are we okay there? Questions on that, or is that pretty simple? Number 3, yellow cab taxi charges $1.75 flat rate in addition to 65 cents per mile. Purple cab taxi charges a $2 flat rate and 25 cents per mile. For what distance is yellow cab charged no more than purple cab taxi? Ooh, I like that one. All right, Rosie, can you set up one of these equations for me?
0.65x
0.65x. Okay, good.
plus 9.75.
All right, good. Can I get a volunteer for the second one? Josh, go for it.
Which one did you do? Oh, 2 plus 0.25x.
Okay, now here's where it gets tricky. It says, for what distance is yellow cab taxi charge no more than purple cab taxi? For what distance is yellow cab taxi charge no more than purple cab? Well, let's write this out. This is yellow, and this is purple. Does that help a little bit? And I want to know, when is yellow no more than? What do you think, Isaac?
Less than or equal to.
Do we agree? Can yellow be less than?
Yes.
Can yellow be equal to?
Yes.
Can yellow be more than?
No.
It can be. Okay? Try number 4 on your own real quick. So last example problem that I have. Number 4 on your own. There's I got 500 minus 25x is greater than or equal to 200. Good there? All right, let me stop the video real quick.